Good evening, Satya. Let's understand about trade and how to plan a trade. That is very important. I think most of you don't understand that when to enter and when to exit in case you are wrong. That means where is your stop? If you identify your stop and if you know how to trial it, then one of the easiest part of making money when you are in the trend is to just to trial your stop. Just trial your stop. Today we will see that. I will go with the Nifty and I will go with the replay version. And I will go with the replay version somewhere here. Okay. So that you people don't get confused, and if possible you can also learn how actually things happen. Okay, collapse. Okay, fine. I just made it to understand. Now we don't know this is which it is 1525. So the market has closed and the next candle will be market will open. So one of the ideal understanding in the price action when you are trading with a price action, let me get the tool. Okay. When you are trading in the price action, usually what they see is that they buy at the break of the pivot. We do the same thing. They keep the stop here, or they keep the hard stop here. But say for instance at this point we at the first break of the pivot, the short what we were here, we covered our short sell here. We covered our short sell at the first pivot break. That means at this candle we covered our short sell. Now what we want is we want this to break and move above. But what happened after that? Immediately you can see this, they started getting narrow, explaining that market might not be a trending today. Does it mean we should not trade? No, we should trade. We should trade. Sorry, let me get a different tool. We should trade. So when market goes up and reverses here, so where is our entry for the short sell? Our short sell entry has to be below the pivotal and the stop has to be above in case we want to go short. So let's see. I'll keep this as in one only because I think so. It's gapped up. It made a new high. It looks like it's trending. So we need a bullish setup. Bullish setup means what? We need a higher high. See, it made this first pivot, then it made this lower low. So break of this is not a buy setup. We must have a higher low. Then only the buy setup comes. Suppose if this is broken, at this point of time, then if price breaks this, we are selling this and our stop will be here. Okay, fine. Let's okay. 1 second. Let's see. It does not give you the buy setup or it doesn't give you the sell setup. Now it made a lower fractal here. Say I'm on 5 minutes. Please note that. It made a lower fractal. What we need? We need a one lower fractal, break of one lower fractal. Let's see. Now this lower fractal is broken. So our stop remains this because these are very weak candles. They are not potent. So this is a potent candle. So the understanding the price action, is very important in this case. So let me take this. So now the low of this is broken at 11:20 am. Candle low is broken, and we will wait for another 2 candles. Okay. Now once this low is broken, we are going for a short sell. That means we need one big candle here. It should show potency. Then we are going short over here, and our stop will remain above this. Okay. I'm just showing you how the price action works. Next. Okay, we got the entry, so we are selling now. Now when we sold any contract, the first target always becomes the nearest to the trend line. This becomes the trend line, 24,031. Now we sold at 24,172. Let's see. This is called first pullback. If you don't know about it, this move is called first pullback. If you don't know about it, then you don't know exactly what is price action. Price action is always responsive, actionary and responsive. It may hit the stop, but we are not looking for. Now let me extend this line. So what is happening? Now tell me what is happening. The distance is reducing between the trend, the line that represents the trend, and the price. That price that is itself is a representation of market behavior. Right? Agree? Let's see. Now the price breaks the trend. Agree? Do you agree? Okay. Now we need to trial the stop in to make our journey of profitable trading. Now this is the only higher fractal that has come below the trend line. Okay, so our stop is now comes to exactly the cost, 24,172 rupees 50 paisa. Sometimes it will go back, actually we will see that. Now our stop comes from this. Our stop is now in the positive, 24,142. Our stop is in the positive in the sense we are out of the brokerage also. Okay. Now again we will reduce this to this. Now we are at 24,040. So around about 130 points. If we are stopped out, we are stopped out. Okay. Now it is likely to go up actually, because after this making a flag here, this makes A, B, C, it made a new low and it is likely to go up now. So that means we might be getting stopped out. Let's see what happens. Okay. Actually this one of the biggest green bar is ignored. So you can reduce the stop to this now. 24,009 rupees. Okay. So price action personal 1 second. Now what happened? It is 609 points from this level to this level. What happened now? Now your stop should come somewhere near around 30 to 40 points extra. 23,711. Stop route. So we made around about 479 points. 479.8 or 480 points. Although this is basically, this is what happened is, this is ABC, then you are getting ABCDE. I will show you now how exactly you must know the patterns. Okay, it cut short the things. You can also look, see, it has made a flag pattern here, right? So you can also look for a one more short sell, no issues. All you need is one lower fractal, break of one lower fractal, and one higher fractal is your. Now I will remove this. We will wait for break of this low, we will see. Now any reversal over here, since it has broken the trend line here, then made a new high with the breaking of this pivot, any break of this trend line is a sign of weakness. Or now the fractal has been formed here. We will wait for the break of the fractal. Now this fractal is broken. We are short selling here. We are sold here. Now our stop is, I will take this to, our stop is this. Okay. Let's see. If you pause correctly, if you pause and see, observe correctly, it has broken the trend line. Okay. Now again, what we suggest? We suggest to bring the stop to just nearby that previous, the first high. Why? Because we know we are already in the plus of 204 and we don't want to miss the. Now our stop comes to this place. Okay. We are stopped out. So total 762 points. What did you learn here is basically you must have a rules. If you enter randomly, you will end up a random income or end up random losses. But if you enter with the precision of entry and a predefined stop, where is your stop? That is the first question I asked you. Will it go below? Yes, there is one more chance it can go below also. There is no issue. Below this it can go. It's not that question because it's a very recent data. You all know it will go down. So idea is very simple, my friends. When you learn something, you will learn how to trade profitable, not a random trade. If you are looking for a random trade, it is a very bad factor. Random trades are bad factors. That means you will lose a lot of money when you make a random trade. Okay, see here in the morning we are in this thing. So what we need is, we need a one first break of the things. So we got it here. Okay, and with the previous pivot over here, we covered our shorts here. 23,080 we covered our shorts. Now we made an entry. Is it downside? No, it's not a downside. I will clear this. It's not a downside. This is showing that it is heading towards, probably it is going towards 2.618. It is heading towards 2.618, because what we see is this is a flat and this is a zigzag. We may see yeah, it might go up to, for instance, it might gap up tomorrow by another few points, 23,677 or 23,700. From there it can go up to 23,800. Okay, got it? Right. The same thing with Bank Nifty. Any trade you want to trade, my friends, all you need is one simple question: where is your stop? Where is your entry? Take a time to look at it again, because this is very simple, yet people fear out of it, because there is no other indicator, no moving average, no VWAP, nothing. And we know how to coordinate with this green and red bars of awesome oscillator and fractal. That's all. Okay, all the best. Good luck. Thank you.